Cost, volume, profit, part 4. Now I want to introduce you to the contribution margin income statement. You will remember from last semester the format on our GAAP income statement. This is the one we've used over and over. Sales minus cost of goods sold gives me gross profit, minus my selling expenses, minus my general and administrative expenses gives me net income. The cost of goods sold are our product cost, our selling and G&A are our period cost. Now we want to look at things in a different manner. We want to break our costs down into variable and fixed. So we take our cost of goods sold, our selling, and our general administrative, and we decide, are they fixed or are they variable? We do component by component. Under our contribution margin income statement format, we start with sales, and then we subtract our variable cost. This gives us now what we call a contribution margin. That is different from gross profit. After we get contribution margin, we subtract fixed cost and we get net income. As long as we are making and selling the same amount of product, we will get the same net income under both methods. It's another way of looking at it and determining from making my product and from my volume of product, how much am I making to cover my fixed cost and generate net income. We have a graph for cost, volume, profit. We start with our fixed cost. On top of that, we layer our variable costs. So these would be our total cost, variable being this section, fixed being this section. Then we take our sales and we start at 0 units and $0, and as we make sales, that becomes our revenue line or our sales line, and the point at which sales intersect with our cost becomes our break-even point. In this lower area, we are losing money. That's a loss. In this upper segment, we are making money. That's a profit. This is a picture of break-even showing you how our costs play and how they intersect with our revenue line and show our break-even point. Now then, most people don't just want to break even. They would like to make an income. So we have what we call a margin of safety. Those are our expected sales greater than our break-even sales. In other words, how much more do we want to make to have some cushion? Let me give you an example. When you left for spring break, you had to pack enough underclothes to take you through spring break week. Many of you packed extra so that you would have a margin of safety. Never in your wildest dreams did you would think spring break would last until summertime. I guarantee you, your margin of safety is not big enough.